Hi, I'm Sandy Miller, and I'm here to help you find more of what you need with MD Consult. Eliminate your waiting room clutter and get more personal with your patients by taking advantage of MD Consult's patient education handouts. From ABO incompatibility to Zolling or Ellison syndrome, you can choose and customize over 10,000 different conditions and treatments to suit your patient's needs. Add special instructions for patient follow-up along with your contact information in these concise 1 to 2 page write-ups. And because most patient education handouts feature images and are available in Spanish, you can be sure to have the right content you need when your patients need it. MD Consult, it's all you need for better patient education.